The various locations that we installed the screws to connect the horizontal supports don't look very finished because it is a hole in the side of our project and you can see the exposed screw. To give these hole locations a finished look, we're going to be installing some 3/8 inch oak buttons. To install the buttons, we need a wooden mallet, we need a bottle of glue, we need our buttons, and then I also have a piece of scrap wood that I can break off a little piece and essentially make a toothpick. Before you install any of the buttons, you want to visually check over your entire project and make sure that it does not need any additional sanding. This is your last opportunity to do a really good job where it is really easy to sand. Once the buttons are installed, it is very difficult to sand properly around the buttons. So I have a little chunk of my scrap lumber, and then I have an even smaller piece that I can use essentially as a toothpick. I'm going to apply just a little bit of glue to my scrap lumber, and I'm going to get just a little bit on the end of my toothpick. And very carefully, I'm going to put a small drop of glue inside the hole location, place a button, and then one tap with the wooden mallet should secure that. Now it is essential that we do not have too much glue because we do not want that to ooze out because it's near impossible to clean off really good. And once again, a little bit of glue on the inside ledge, button, wooden mallet. And with our buttons installed, the build process is complete.